Okay, still no luck with the stepper motor project. I appreciate the help you guys have given me, especially about the library being wrong. But like I said, out of the 4 motors, 1 motor will only move in one direction. None of the other motors will move at all. And the only change in the code is a minus sign when I tell it how many steps to go from one direction to the next. So if you've got an idea, I want to hear it. But for today, we're going to take a look at the Superdanny Power Strip. These are available on Amazon for about $18. And this was sent to us free of charge by the good folks at Superdanny for our consideration. And I can't get it out of the box. So yeah, the first step in being able to use this would be getting it out of the box. So, yeah, doesn't say nothing. How about some specs? If we look around here, we can see that it has 4 USB charge ports, 4 AC outlets, a nice switch, 700 joules of surge protection, lightning proof, fire retardant, 4.8 amps, that's 2.1 amps per port on the USB. We'll test that out. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, and on the Amazon thing, it says 2400 watts. But pay attention here. If using 110 volts, it's 1100 watts. So, gotta be careful. Now, this comes with a 9.8 inch extension cord, which I think is pretty doggone nice. This could come in useful for a number of things, assuming it's suitable. No UL on the box, no UL on here. So, you know, that's to be expected from our Chinese products. Okay, the power LED is lit. The first test, of course, we're going to be to see if it's wired correctly. Again, we're going to use this simple south wire outlet tester. You can see it has a red light and 2 amber lights. All we want to see are 2 amber lights. Okay. Can you see that? 2 amber lights. So we might as well test them all just to be thorough, right? Yep. Okay. I'm interested what this sine wave looking guy here is. It's normal mode. Okay, no problem. So next up, let's have a look at these USB ports. You do not want to know how long it took to find this. Whew. Okay. Let's plug it in. And we're powered up. Let's crank up the amperage. They should be good up to 2.1 amp. So it says. Yeah. Let's see how far it will go. Okay, she crapped out. Or what, 3.9, 4 amps. Wow. So up to 4 amps. That is not bad at all. Yeah. Not bad at all. Alright, so what do we check next? Well, definitely a capacitor in there, huh? That's kind of a minus. Somebody should have put a bleeder on that. Okay. Next, we will test the insulation. So once again, let me grab my my handy croc clips, or alligator clips as we call them here in the USA. And we will start off with live to neutral. And we'll start low at 250 volts. Make sure we're on there. Okay. Live to neutral, 250 volts. Okay. That's not what I want to see. Live to ground. Live to ground is good. Neutral to ground. Neutral to ground is good. Let's go back and go live to neutral. That's coming across like a dead short. Hey, if I'm doing something wrong, guys, correct me. I'm not even going to go up here. Oh, I tell you what. Just to be absolutely certain, we'll go up to giga ohms. And we did this the last time. I hope you saw my my mea culpa in the description that I said ohms, a half a ohm instead of half a mega ohm. So now we're talking giga ohms. No. We're getting a dead short. Está no bueno. I guess we're going to have to see what she's hiding underneath. Or inside, rather. Do we have screws? Yes. Screws hiding under the feet. Feet don't fail me now. 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 Pardon the musical interlude. Sometimes that just happens. Thankfully, they've used Phillips head screws. So obviously, they don't care if we know what's inside. I'm going to take out the other three. Screws are out. And what do we have here? Sniff test, one moment. That is actually smelling a little crispy. Boy, if tell you what, if I blew it with 250 volts, it would definitely not withstand a spike. Here in the US, our AC flavors generally somewhere around 125 volts. Goes up and down by the day. Alright, little protective plate there. So let's have a look here and see what there is to see. Alright, ground is coming in, going to our ground line, then it's jumpered over to this ground line here, and it goes nowhere. There's no connection from ground. This is not grounded. No. No. Do not buy this product. This is not safe. Do not put this in your house. No, 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 no. 2 thumbs down. Sorry, Superdanny. But, yeah, I absolutely will not recommend something like that to my viewers. Okay, guys, well, that's a big no. If If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all my patrons. That's it. I'm out. Peace.